Floating on an air cushion, it can reach any corner freely and virtually weightless. No scratch and tear, it protects your lovely floor. Amazing, right? Tell you more. This special designed washable 3-filter system will impress you definitely. Having this protective cover, no solid particles is allowed to go into the filters, so filters won't get damaged easily. These electrostatic enclosed filters can capture small particles, like dust mites, pollen and bacteria. Moreover, they prolong lifespan of the HEPA filters. The unique HEPA filter can prevent all particles more than 0.03 microns from going through. Now, no more bacteria and dust mites can hide in any corner. Guess what is inside? It is attached with disinfecting and deodorizing gel. The airflow will vaporize it to kill bacteria and remove odor. It also refreshes the surrounding air. At last, the vacuum cleaner not only cleans your house, but also the air. Don't worry, it can be replaced easily. It is so simple and convenient to use, and can even reach your upstairs in a minute. The hose is reversible by just pressing a single button. And this special air-driven brush bar doesn't scratch your carpet, tiles and wooden floors. Life can be so easy.